guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back. I have Elmer's glue and I've already made it into slime. I haven't a tutorial out of it. I have not had a tutorial about it because it is already like made for me. So I'm gonna be showing it to you guys. This is how long it stretches, and it has pretty gems that are not real, of course, right? They'll just prick me. That's only part of the slime. I have a container. I'll get it. So here's a container that it'll be in. But like, this is how much slime you get in the packet. And I have this container so I can do everything the same. The best thing about it, I'm just gonna shut you guys down a bit, not like shut you guys down. Like, I'm gonna just put it like that in this angle, and then move it, and then have it there so you can see what it is and type things. I'm just gonna move everything around. Oh my gosh! I'm just gonna move everything around because my room is a total mess. So that's so I don't need to like up above it. Because like if I can, hey guys, this is my slime. Yeah, you'd rather go like a lower level so you can actually do it. Now I'm like 4 meters away. Look, I can reach, but like if you have Elmer's glue slime, here's one thing: never get it on your clothes and never get it in a car. Now this is me. I got Elmer's glue slime about right there. And that was about like that much slime on my thing. I only picked up about like that much of it. And that was horrible. Did you know this slime used to be a whole block of like purple. It's like a purple yummy slime. And it smelled delicious. Now I'm just gonna move forward so you can see like fa la 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 fa la 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 la. Fa la la, fa la la, la la. Oh my god. I wish I could just go, hey Siri, what's the date in America? Because if you're Australian, watch me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I don't sing naughty. This is a very bubbly slime. Now, I recommend this because it is a bubbly, chirpity type slime. Now, watch this. So you know how people pick the slime up and they just go like, oh, look at me, I'm a bubble and you're not. Oh my god. Ready, 3, 2, 1, satisfying noises. You like never seen it before. You know what the best thing about these jewels? That they make it like sound effects. Like say you like got that much slime and like the best thing about it is sound effects and the satisfying way about it. Like I don't know if slime is just a kid's toy, and on the back, I'll say on the back once again. It said scented, safe, and non-toxic. Now, you know Elmer's glue. They have non-toxic things. But I'm going to be adding a bit of glue to this because it is like, I think it's already added. It is scented really nice. It's like a really nice purplish color. And yeah, but the purple was so dark. It was like, so try to make a purple slime, and when I picked it up, it was like clear slime, and it's not clear slime. I thought it was just a bottle, but like it's not clear slime. Look, it's clear. And look at this. You know how you get those clear things on top? I took the sticker off it and put the Elmer's glue sign on there. I can't believe it, right? Now, this is the best part of it. It's sort of like a putty where you can just break little pieces away from its mother. Look at that. The best thing about it is when you have a little bit of putty, look at that. It's like a big bumps of bubble. Now, this is how much slime I have. But say I didn't have this slime and I only had that much. Look at this. Look, it's just basically odd, disgusting putty. And I got this today. It was going to be for my birthday, but yeah, my birthday's in 14 days. Yeah. I'm counting from this July 2nd, 2022. Now, I'm turning 9 this year, so yeah, this is the best thing about it. The best thing about it. There's nothing really else to tell you about, like, duh. I'm really wobbly teeth. Like, the best thing about it is just poking it. As you can just hear, it just goes like. And also, it just helps as it just goes. Look at this. Oh! I squeezed it so hard. Ow, that hurts. Oh, that really hurt. Yeah, that really hurt. Ooh, I'm gonna try to do a giant bubble. Not like too big, but like as big as one. And ready, 3, 2, 1, ready, done. Bop. Oh my god, I think my mother needs to get me an X-ray. My wrist is so trying. And I write with this hand, I think. Because, duh, I'll just write my name on it. So I'm just gonna write my name on a piece of tissue. Yeah, and I do not write with that hand. Boo-hoo. I'm gonna say, oh mom, this hurts. Ah ha ha ha. Kidding. It really hurts though, so I might just get an X-ray on my left arm. Because when I was just squeezing it, I think I squeezed it so tightly. Did you know there was a bubble in here and I didn't even notice? Oh my gosh, the worst thing about it is it keeps coming off. So I need some more glue because look at this. I don't want it to be like a putty. I want it to be just a normal stretchy slime. Now make sure you like and subscribe because you'll get bad luck for 5 months and you do not want bad luck for 5 months. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end or you get a punishment and a bad luck for 70 years. By the way, that's plus of 5 months, so it's 70 years and 5 months. I'm kidding. About like 7 days and 5 weeks. Yeah, sorry, yeah. So I'll let you have 5 weeks of bad luck because I'm not going to do 5 months. What's the next worst thing? And if you do not watch this video all the way to the end, you get a punishment of like 7 days, which that makes it 6 weeks, including. Now, if you're going to school, it is okay. Okay. I am stupid, right, guys? But away at school. Wait. The best thing about slime. No way! No! I've never done that ever. No way. No. That was the best feeling of my life. So I'm just going to pick some up. And again, please don't break. You know what? Do this and make sure it doesn't break. I'm sorry if yours breaks, but yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm going to test this out. You know what? The other one was better. I think I'm going to be working on this and I'll see you in about 35 minutes and I'm going to search up on YouTube, of course. Why would I be here? Mwah. Bye guys, like and subscribe and watch this video all the way to the end or you will get 5 weeks, 6 weeks if you do not watch this video all the way to the end. Bye guys, peace out. Like and subscribe, watch this video all the way to the end.